Are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss? Hey credit cousins, before you watch this video, make sure you click the link in the bio and also in the pinned comments to join this amazing group that I have created for you guys. It is a group that we can talk about almost everything you want to talk about, from Navy Federal, investing, how to build business credit, how to build credit, how to repair your credit, and so much more. Click the link in the bio and enter your name and email address, and watch out for an invite via email. So hurry, don't forget to sign up. Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing great today. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to increase your credit score and delete negative items by doing this one step. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So we're going to talk about how to increase your credit score and delete negative items by doing this one step. So what I'm going to do right now is take you on to my computer screen and we'll go over the details, because I think you guys prefer it being on screen and basically giving information that way. So let's just dive right into it. So let's go to the computer screen. So how to increase a bad credit score and get negative items deleted. So are you someone who has moved multiple times in the last 5 to 10 years? Do you have multiple alias names? Or is your name spelled in different ways? Is it a common name that's always misspelled? Do you have a middle name? And have you been married in the past 5 to 10 years? Did you change your name? Have you been divorced and remarried? Things like that. Have you changed your number several times in the past 5 to 10 years? So if this applies to you, keep watching. So how to increase your bad credit score by doing this one step. Pull your 3 credit reports at annualcreditreport.com. This is now for free until further notice. I think it's free till next year due to the COVID-19. So carefully review your personal information once you pull your credit reports at annualcreditreport.com. Now, when I say carefully review, I mean make sure that your name is spelled correctly. Make sure that your phone number is the right phone number. And also make sure that your current address is the only address on your credit report. If you moved last week, make sure that that address that you moved to is that address on your credit report. If you have multiple addresses within 1 month, or if you have multiple addresses within 6 months, 12 months, make sure you have at least one address that is current on your credit report. Now, this is how you're going to basically increase that bad credit score, because multiple names, multiple phone numbers, and multiple addresses are probably linked to your negative items. So if you first update your personal information, this will actually bring your score up. Now you're saying, well, how is my score going to be up just because I updated my personal information? This has nothing to do with the negative information designer Soapbox. Yes, granted. However, your credit report is not as strong as you think, with multiple names, multiple alias, multiple numbers, and multiple addresses. So what you need to do is just make sure you carefully review this information. Now, once you remove all outdated personal information, such as previous addresses, variations of your name, and previous phone numbers, you can get negative accounts associated with the outdated information deleted from your credit report. So again, once you get this information updated, sometimes you actually get an increase off of updating your personal information. It is true and it is possible. However, if you're disputing information such as your collections, your late payments, and any negative item that basically is on your credit report, if it's attached to any old addresses, it can also get removed. This is a tactic that most credit repair companies do use. So Did you know simply by cleaning up your personal information with the credit bureaus can also help you with approval? Yes, because there's only one address or one name or one phone number associated with this social security number with you, you can get approved, because sometimes you're denied because you have too many addresses, you have too many phone numbers, and you have too many names, and they're unable to identify you due to the security of the credit bureaus. So although lenders are able to connect the dots with who you are on the bureaus, clearing up the clutter keeps things simple for your lender and simple for you as well when it comes to getting approved for things. So having a lot going on with your personal information with, say, 20 different names, variations as an example, could potentially seem as a high risk to the lenders, okay? So they may very well still approve you either way, but the less risk you are, the easier the approval and the better terms you may receive as well. So for this video, of course, I'm not going to talk about the letter and I give you the letter, but I did put it on my website for you guys, so that's easy for you to download, so you don't have to stop and actually type the letter in the video. You have somewhere where you can actually go and download it and basically fill in the information in the highlighted areas. So what you need to do is go to designersoapbox.com/shop or click the link in the description and it will take you right to that product page. Download the free personal dispute information letter and fill in the yellow highlighted information that basically needs to be changed to send to the credit bureaus. Make sure you send to all 3 credit bureaus. I will also have the addresses to where you need to send it to. So make sure you look for that on the product page or in the description below. You can do this yourself. You do not need a credit repair company to do it yourself. So make sure you go right over to my website and download this free letter, fill it out, and send it today. Send it today. Get that information updated so that when you are disputing, and you can also use the credit repair DIY dispute letters to dispute your negative items. When you do use that credit repair, or you can even use the charge off and collection removal guide, and if you use those after it gets updated, let me know your results, okay? I highly look forward to hearing about your results, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey, have you heard about the Charge Off and Collection Express Removal Guide that I have available? A step-by-step guide to remove negative charge-offs and collections from your credit report rapidly. These steps are easy and you don't need a credit repair company to do this. It's all step-by-step that you can do on your own. Check it out. It's 50% off right now. You don't want to miss out at designersoapbox.com, or you can check the pinned comment or link in the description below to find that link. Make sure you check it out. It's 50% off right now, guys. Don't miss out. Hurry, hurry. Hi everyone, this is Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. One for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at Designer Soapbox. And don't forget to check out those ebooks that we got on sale, honey, at designersoapbox.com, where you remove your hard inquiries, late payments, collections, and more. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, guys, I love you all. Bye.